Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to do this quick video just because I want to try out something I seen on another YouTube channel. If I can remember what channel it was, then I will definitely link that below. But I wanted to do, I'm starting to like peel off masks. And it's like I noticed my skin is a lot smoother once I do a peel off mask, get all of the skin and blackheads and stuff like that stuff. I really didn't think I had, but oh well. So wait, can we just take notice in how that scratch is totally gone from my face? Like, just disappeared. So happy. But yeah, so I'm going to I'm just going to talk about what I'm going to do, and then I'm just going to do it in a fast forward motion and then just come back with how my face feels at the end, just to make it a little bit shorter. So I'm using baking soda and the Biore Pore strips. So basically what you do is you start off by washing your face, and then okay, the pack that I have is the combo pack of the face strips as well as the nose strips. So what do? You'll wash your face as normal. Like, I'll exfoliate my face. Then I will get some baking soda and mix it with a little bit of water to get a paste. And then I'll massage that into this part of my face. Probably like this whole T-zone right here. Just massage that in a little bit of it, not too hard. And then I'll rinse that out, and then I'll put the mask on my face. Not the mask, the strips on my face. And yeah, and then we'll see how this goes. So I will see you guys at the end of this. face pieces off. So I'm just going to do my nose, take my glasses off. I already know it's gonna hurt. Oh, man. Okay. Put my glasses on. My nose just feels smoother. It did get quite a bit. Not as much as I'm used to. Don't think this really takes off the dead skin as well, like I'm used to with my charcoal mask. So I don't, let's see if you can see. Try to get it close. You can see like the little bitty flakes. Well, not flakes, but whiteheads, because they're not really. It's hard when this is white to see, show you stuff. But it's gotten quite a bit from my nose. Like, yeah, some big ones. And mostly like really tiny ones. So anyway. So, that is it, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys that, and I will just be using the rest of the pack, but I think I do prefer the charcoal mask because at least I can put it all over my problem areas and get up any dead skin, blackheads, and whiteheads without really taking the extra step like I did with this. And if you guys have tried these strips or any kind of strips, tell me your opinion on it and which brand you think is the best. And I will see you guys in the next video.